everyone! Today we are diving into FFG, specializing in mountain bags and pack bags. They are master of innovation using advanced fabrics. Follow me to find out more about this company.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you, viewers. Here's Nico, the CEO of FFG. So it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
Can you share for our audience a bit more about your company?
Yes, of course. So we are a company doing backpacks, manufacturing. I moved to Vietnam in 2020, so nearly 4 years ago. And I was in China before for 25 years. And I just moved, and we just opened the factory that you can see behind.
All right. I see that you display some amazing product here. Can you share for our audience more about that?
Yes, of course. So this is a few bags that I can, without name, I can show you because usually it's for special customers.
All right.
This is a big bag for drones. As you can see, it's very big and very heavy. This is a bag for more like industrial, for electricians working in the field. This is a bag for first aid or firemen helping people. And this is also a bag for medical doctors in the field for army.
Wow, for army?
Yes.
Wow, interesting.
French army.
So can you walk us through the production line and share more information about the order quantity?
Yes, of course, with
Please
pleasure.
lead the way.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure.
So regarding the order quantity, we try to offer 300 pieces only to our customers. Usually it's the MOQ for other factories is 500 to 1,000. We try to help small companies in Europe mostly to be able to produce overseas. So that's why we help them here in the development and in production.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you. Can you show you around?
Sure, please.
This is the sample room.
Wow.
This is where we develop all the new products for our customers.
Amazing. So can you share our audience a bit more about FFG comparative advantages?
Yes, of course. So I would say that first we fill the gap between the smaller factory, less than 80 people, less than 80 workers, and the big factories, 500 to 5,000 workers. There are not so many medium-sized factories, I think, here in Vietnam. So this is what we do. Second, we have a very good sourcing in China because we cannot find everything in Vietnam, but we have a team in China to do the sourcing for us. And third is the social audit. We now are working on the BSCI and also SA 8000 next year.
So why did you join Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam last year?
It was the very first time in my life I exhibited. And because I started a new company here, I really wanted to have a feel of the buyer coming to Vietnam now. And it was very positive results. Many people after COVID were really visiting to see what was the options in Asia. So we had a lot of good feedback, very good.
That's amazing. So do you have any expectation for the upcoming trade show?
Same, meets a lot of new people. I think the show is expanding a lot, so it will bring a lot more buyers. So I just try to get more customers and more leads.
That's great to hear. So how about FFG distinguished from other competitors in the market?
Yeah, our size, our flexibility with orders, so we can do small MOQs, our sourcing, which is very good, and our social credit and social audits like BSCI and SA 8000 soon.
Wow, okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
For sharing interesting insight about FFG. So where our audience can find you?
You can find me on the online and physical booth at the Global Sourcing Fair. We will attend in 2024.
Sure. Thank you for insightful conversation.
Thank you.
Viewers, as you get captivated by FFG's story, we invite you to experience their amazing product at our show, Global Sourcing Fair 2024, in April from 24th to 26th at SECC District 7. Pre-register now to stay updated on the latest innovation and offerings from FFG at Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam. Thanks.
Before we move to the next supplier, take a few minutes to watch the video Global Sourcing Fair Vietnam 2024.